Okay, guys, today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. Just let me download it on something. You know what? I'm just going to get on an iPad. Okay, guys, so today we are going to be trying out Subway Surfers to see if it actually works. See how fun it is. We'll just find it. A lot of games. Subway Surf. Okay. Now listen to the music at San Francisco. Okay. So we are starting. Hurry up. Sorry guys, I'm just so used to other stuff. Ooh! So, Morty we can select. And ooh, what's for this? Alright. Let me tap this. Guys, I'm sorry, just that I suck. Okay, but let's see if I can change that. Oh my gosh. Today. Guys, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. I'm gonna have to reload. Hurry! Okay, guys, I am so sorry. Oh, okay. Guys, it's really hard. I'm holding one phone in one hand, and that's where I did really bad. Well, calm down there, Drake. Should have double tapped. Guys, I'm just really bad at this game. I'm sorry. If I was any better, then I'd make myself better. But I'm not. Okay, so we're going into the first place guy. Dang. That's it. Tap. We just always need that. What's this? Guys, this time I am doing so much better. Sorry, guys. that is it for the rest of the day. Gotta do some stuff. I gotta make a comic book named The Flyer. Yeah, I got a lot more stuff to do. Bye, guys. See you in next week. Bye-bye.